In this video, I will show you how to use the RCMS 410 with the BENDER Connect app and which advanced functions the app offers. Firstly, to establish a connection with the device when it is powered, you have to activate NFC. Therefore, press and hold the test reset button for several seconds until the on LED starts flashing blue. Then release the button. Now NFC is activated for 5 minutes. If you want to deactivate NFC manually, just do the same procedure again and deactivate NFC via the test reset button. Now, establish a connection with the device via NFC as shown in the App Starter video. If the device is powered, you have to be even more patient because to establish a connection with the device in powered mode takes a little longer. In the measurement overview, you can get the same information as in a gateway. With the pull to refresh feature, it is easy to receive up-to-date measurement values. Please note that this feature is not intended for monitoring the measurements live, just for receiving a brief snapshot of the values. In the measurement overview, you can get the same information as in a gateway. With the pull to refresh feature, it is easy to receive up-to-date measurement values. Please note that this feature is not intended for monitoring the measurements live, just for receiving a brief snapshot of the values. It is also possible to duplicate the parameters you set for one device to other devices via NFC. Scan the device whose parameters you want to duplicate, select the option in the main menu, Transfer Device Configuration, and then scan the device you want to transfer the parameters to. The only restriction is that this only works with unpowered devices. Now, the app says device configuration was duplicated successfully, so you know that the parameters were copied to the new device. The backup export function is used to save your device settings and parameters to a JSON file, in case you want to restore them later or if you want to transfer them to another device without using NFC. Just use the Export Backup button and then you can save the backup file to your phone. Now you can take the new device and use the Import Backup function. Therefore, you have to connect to the new device first. And then use the Import Backup button. With the Backup Import function, you select the JSON file to import all parameters you previously saved. Just choose the right file, check the file, press Next, compare the parameters which will be written. Then you will see a summary, what will be written to the device. Now it's one parameter. And then the backup will be imported to the device. Now again you have to scan the device. Afterwards it tells us that it is completed and the import has been successful. This backup function uses the same data type as any backup via Comtrax Gateway. Therefore, you can import backups you made via Comtrax or use your backup on any device connected to a Comtrax Gateway.